We are here at Biwin's booth for COMPUTEX 2026, and here we have a brand new product lineup called Origin Code. So let's take a look because they are quite exciting here. As you can see, this is the Origin Code RAM. These are DDR5 high performance RAM, high capacity as well. So this is the version that they already dissected for us to see what's inside. They removed the heatsink for this side, but at the back side here you still have the heatsink. So this is a 4-rank CU DIMM RAM module, and as you can see here, there are lots of NAND chips on it. So as you can see from this screen here, capacity 128 gigs per stick, and it also can run at 8000 megatransfers per second, and these are the latency timing. If you want to see it, it's actually very high performance, and it will also come with this fan as well. So this is a, well, literally you screw onto the RAM module itself, and then you have a a tiny cooler for your RAM, and you just directly screw it onto the heatsink itself. They also come with this screwdriver and screws for you as well. This is a very high quality screwdriver. Looking at the back here, you can see this is the Origin Code Vortex memory module once more. Yeah, it is called the Origin Code Vortex memory module, and here are all of the specs if you want to know. They are available in a variety of different specs, but then again, this is the retail model that you are gonna get if you buy it. So yeah, the heatsinks are already installed for you. You cannot remove it, I think. And here's another variant of the Origin Code Vortex memory. So you can see the RAM modules are already powered up. You can see the RGB lighting there, real nice touch. And then for this cooler, it is using, I'm not sure if this is a retail unit or not, but it is within the whole liquid cooling loop as well. So you can liquid cool your RAMs so you can get better performance out of them. And this display will also tell you the temperature as well of the CPU and GPU, so you get a bit more details in terms of what to expect from this system here. And the Origin Code is also leading the first wave of AMD Expo ultra low latency standard as well. So yeah, this RAM is supporting that too. And here are some of the details that I want to show you guys. And here are some of the details of this RAM in particular. And yeah, we have a total of 48 gigs on this PC. Latency. Since Biwin is a memory product company, we also have this M.2 SSD here. This is their high-end SSD. This is a PCIe Gen 5 SSD. As you can see here, it's available in 1 or 2 terabytes, can go up to 11,000 megabytes per second read and 10,000 megabytes per second write. It's actually very high performance, and yeah, it looks very unassuming. And one of my favorite products from our visit last year for Biwin, this is the mini SSD. So this enclosure here is quite funky. You use a SIM ejector tool, you take out the tray, and then you swap the NAND module inside to get whatever capacity you want. So for example, yeah, there you go. This is technically, you just put in the NAND chip inside, and then you slot it in like a SIM card. And then you can literally swap between 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, however you want. You can buy multiple of them and just keep switching between each other. This one is actually even faster than the one that we looked at previously, and this can go up to 14,000 megabytes per second read and 13,000 megabytes per second write. Wow, okay, that's really impressive. This one is without a heatsink, so this is the bare PCB itself, and of course you have the same specs as well because it's the same module, just without the heatsink, because this one is the Biwin Black Opal X570H Pro. This one is without H, so H means heatsink, I guess. And yeah, available up to 8 terabytes with that speed. It's impressive. As for RAM modules, we have all of these here. This is the HX100. This is the DW100. They are both in a more affordable price range, but yet they are still very high performance. And now let's talk about this special version of the DW100. So as you can see here, the shroud is completely different in terms of its design. Let me shine a light here for you guys to see. So you have this special clock-like design compared to the basic DW100. Yeah, it's very different. So kind of depends on what kind of flavor you like in your case. And for this special version of the DW100, of course, it is available in up to 192 gigabytes kit. So I think that's 48 times 4. Is that correct? Yeah, 48 times 4. 6,000 megatransfers per second with the Expo profile. And here are the specs if you want to know more. And Biwin has also entered the microSD Express market as well, and this is the ME300. SD Express as of now is only used on the Nintendo Switch 2 as far as I know. Not sure if the upcoming ROG Ally X20 is also using this. And you can see the design of it is very Nintendo 8-bit-esque, and there's also a card reader for the microSD Express card as well. I would foresee more devices using this kind of card in the coming future, so it's good that Biwin is making all of these memory cards available. And that is all that we have to share about Biwin for COMPUTEX 2026. They do have a lot more other memory products as well, like more budget-esque SSDs, memory cards, CF Express cards. They have it all, so check them out. And we'll see you guys in the next COMPUTEX 2026 coverage video.